car? So we get to board the first car, which is a mile down there. So far, this has been an interesting trip. So this is our first train trip, and it's 7 in the morning. We had to walk up and down the train 3 times because of how uncoordinated the people working here are. They kept telling us to go to the front car, which was the opposite end of the train for them. So eventually we just got on one of the middle cars by ourselves, which was interesting. So what's crazy that I found out so far is they have rules on their website about guns and knives, but they don't actually check if you have them. So I could have guns and knives right now. I could actually have pockets full of guns and knives, and they would never know. However, they're very serious about masks. They will kick you off a train if they see you not wearing a mask. But if you have concealed weapons, they'll never know. They might just throw me out of a moving train, which would then be a gone wrong video. So that might jumpstart my career. We're traveling through Texas farmland. Haven't got a cinnamon Danish. Said cinnamon Danish on the menu. And we have amazing cup holders. So we just arrived in Austin for our second stop. And if you're drinking, you don't have to wear a mask. Stay thirsty. We just stopped in Temple, Texas. Evan just took a nap. And I got a snack. So I don't have to wear a mask. We're got like 2 hours left on our train trip. We're almost there. Oh, 4 more hours left.